Today I'm back again. Today basically we'll be talking about something like we all have been waiting for. Like हमारे पास time होता है ना, we always think कि I have to do this, I have to do this. Okay, everybody has some plan, but at the same time we just think and we don't make any effort to just complete it. Okay. So basically we'll discuss about it, what are my feelings and what your feelings will be. We will talk about it. And to start with, I posted a write-up on 3rd of January 2020. I know 2020 has been quite a bit problematic for each and every one of us, but at the same time everybody made some or other plan. किसी का पूरा हुआ, किसी का नहीं हुआ. इनफैक्ट मोस्ट ऑफ us were not able to do what we wanted to. Most of you are travelers or something like that. Everybody wants to go and travel to places, but at the same time you don't get to do all those things. So I think we have decent number of people as of now over here, more than 35 now. So I would like to tell you first what is it about, what I thought, and why did I write something like that. Because I'm sure that only 10 to 20% of my followers would have read that. I'm not sure about that also, because seeing the comments I can see only some of the people who are very much into reading or something like that. They only read these things. So first of all I will tell you about the write-up, and after that I will also tell you a story about myself. Some start with, I wrote a article on Now is the Time on my Instagram itself, and that was something like I would start off now. It's like, now is the time to begin the rest of your life and finish this frustrating chapter you are sick of reading. It's time to start writing a new chapter and be the hero I have always been, but never knew I needed. I know it's hard because of less money and you don't know where to go. Don't want to go alone. Have never done anything like this before. Have a head full of worries and doubts and what ifs, and how will I ever be able to do all these things? And you don't understand, and I could never. And I need more time. And I can't decide. And many ands. Go anywhere you want to go, just go. Leave everything. I'm doing it. Just say that I'm doing it. Try saying that aloud. And say that again and again. Now go out and let the world scare you, because there will always be people who will keep on scaring you. And let them scare you and see how brave you become. Be broke and learn to survive around every corner, and how it always works out somehow, in some way. It always does. Laugh as much as you can. Climb mountains and go on road trips. Find love in new eyes and stare at strangers who may change your life. That doesn't mean you stare at anybody and stare in a wrong way, but stare at strangers, talk to them, make a good feeling with them. Feel lovely and hurt at the same time. Honor self-worth and shatter self-doubt and discover new you. Because everybody has a lot of things in them. But the problem is we don't know about those things unless we try something new. Gaze at stars. I know most of you might be doing, but at the same time there are some, they just do it for fun sake. But gaze at stars and think. Okay, have breakdowns and break thoughts. Eat good food and do whatever you want to. Be free and have fun. Let your heart decide how and where and why you want to do that thing. Not many people on their deathbeds follow their hearts. The actual thing which they regret is that they were living small and they were playing very safe. They regret never trying to feel truly alive and believing in themselves to have a life they desired for. Don't be one of them. And the only thing which you can do for that is that you do whatever you want to do. Don't think about others, what they are thinking about you or how your life is going to be. I will tell you about something I never knew how I could become. So the first time I was in Bangalore, uh, this was the first time when I felt alone and I felt shattered at the same time. I didn't know what to do. So I was in Bangalore in 2016 December. It was something around 17th or 19th of December. I took a flight for Delhi. I had a plan with my friends that we will go to a trip to Khaziar and Dalhousie. And I had a Dudu phone. Dudu phone means non-multimedia phone. Okay, so no WhatsApp, nothing. And when I landed at Delhi, I called my friends. They were like, "यार, plan तो cancel हो गया था." I told them, "Yeah, why didn't you tell me that it has been cancelled?" Because I went there. I went to Delhi just to go on a trip with them, and they were like, "cancel हो गया था." They said, "We shared it on WhatsApp group." But I was not on WhatsApp that time. Okay, I was so non-techy. So what I did was I sat there at bus stop and I was thinking about what to do now. So I was thinking of going home from there. Then all of a sudden I thought, why should I not go there where I want to? I have planned each and everything. It's just that their decision was not to join me. But my decision was to make that plan and we have to go together. But if they are not coming, it's my life here. I will do whatever I want to do. Let them do whatever they are doing. So I took a bus to Dalhousie in the night and I started my journey. That was my first solo trip to any place. It is not only about the trips or something like that. It is something I would like to tell you when I felt that I am being alone, but at the same time I can't do anything about that. So what I did, I went to Dalhousie. I didn't know where to stay and what to do. I just went to this what was that place here? Dalhousie Gandhi Chowk. There was one I don't remember exactly the name of that hotel, but I went there. I booked a room and then I stayed there for full day. I didn't go anywhere because I never thought I will be ever alone in a place, not with my friends, not with the people I have made any plan. So I stayed there for full day. In evening, while having a cup of tea, I thought कि यहाँ तक आ गया तो यार all the plans were mine. So it is me who has to execute all those plans. So I started noting down things on my notebook. I always carry a diary. This is my writing diary. There is one travel diary. I have it with me. I always carry that with me. So I started writing places where all I can go. So next morning, early in the morning, I took a cab from there and I started traveling to places. Okay, nearby. I went for a trek also. Okay, and then I realized I was so much happy in that. Actually, what we always face is when we go with our friends, we enjoy their company. We always enjoy. We have a lot of fun, but at the same time, we don't learn anything out of it. We don't get to learn anything out of it. So basically, what I learned from there was I learned about myself. And moreover, let me tell you one more thing. It was 25th of December when I had to come back from there, from Dalhousie to this place, Delhi. But in the morning, 6 o'clock, I heard some noise from outside. And let me tell you, it was not the first time for me that I was very much excited about snow or something like that. It always happened with me during my school time. I was in Nainital. So every alternate year there used to be snowfall, but that snowfall was something totally different. And how different it was, let me tell you. I heard some noises from outside. I went out and I saw it was snowing all around, and people were playing with me, playing with each other. Then I joined them. Those were strangers. I never met them, never talked to them. I went there. I started enjoying them with them. They started playing with me, with those snowballs and all. And that was something which I thought I could do. I always thought of myself like a very shy person and something like that. But that helped me open up to myself, to leave others. It helped me open up to myself. I never thought about myself before. I wrote 2 3 poems over there and some write ups. I wrote about that particular trip. That is the first trip I've ever written about. Otherwise, before that, I only used to write some 1 or 2 poems or something like that. So basically, with this and the thing which I wrote on in the start of this month on 3rd of January 2020. Basically, I know lot of you now. There are total 30 people of out over here. सब ने कुछ ना कुछ सोचा होता है यार, करने का सबका मन करता है. सुबह उठकर योगा करना है, सुबह उठकर किसी को योगा करना है, किसी को दौड़ने जाना है. मुझे भी करता है. मैं भी रात को सोते टाइम सोचता हूँ कि यार थोड़ा वर्कआउट कर लेता हूँ. शाम को मैं आई यूजुअली गो फॉर रन इन इवनिंग. शाम को सोचता हूँ कि दौड़ने चला जाऊँगा, बट पिछले 1 हफ्ते से बारिश हो रही है, क्या करूँ. Excuses यार, these are all excuses. I know, I also make. At the same time, it's me, it's you who has to remind yourself. Nobody else is going to do anything about that. So I know most of you people have gone through these things, and later on you might have overcome that. You have worked out of your comfort zone, and then you have achieved something out of that. Even if you are not